Hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. We're excited to present Novomarine, an innovative collection of vegan skincare products powered by ProMare Science technology, which promotes youthful, radiant skin. Hello, my name is Elizabeth Villegas. I'm your JAFRA Beauty Pro. And joining us today, we also have JAFRA Beauty Pro, Monica Barrera.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Today, we would like to experience the future of skincare with this innovative, ocean-inspired vegan collection. So let's get started with JAFRA Novomarine.
What is Novomarine? An exciting collection of state-of-the-art vegan skincare products. For the first time in the world, it's formulated with ProMare Science technology. Our extraordinary innovation is designed to promote youthful-looking and radiant skin. This collection is inspired by the ocean, suitable for all skin types and meets JAFRA's clean beauty standard. In addition, it is the first certified vegan skincare line at JAFRA. Why did we create Novomarine? Our inspiration was the ocean. JAFRA was founded 68 years ago on the California coast, with the mighty Pacific Ocean as our backyard. Going back to our roots, we gave our scientists a mission to create an unprecedented collagen innovation in JAFRA, along with the incredibly powerful ingredient of the sea, algae, and vitamin C in a collection that is 100% certified vegan and meets JAFRA's clean beauty standard.
So are you ready to bring back your bounce? Collagen is a naturally occurring protein found in our skin. It gives your skin that beautiful, youthful bounce and elasticity. But unfortunately, collagen breaks down as we age. So Novomarine is here to help you maintain that youthful look with pro-aging formulas that feature marine derivative ingredients and vegan collagen.
Now we're going to share some of the highlights of this line. First, it's vegan certified.
It's also suitable for all genders and skin types.
It's inspired by JAFRA's Malibu roots and enduring connection to the sea.
And JAFRA does not test its products on animals.
Some of the key ingredients of this line is vegan collagen, algae, and vitamin C.
So are you a Novomarine fan? Well, if you are vegan or vegetarian, these are individuals who follow a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle and prioritize cruelty-free and plant-based skincare options.
Also, for sensitive skin individual, people with various skin types, including sensitive skin, this product is suitable for a wide range of skin sensitivities.
You also might be a consumer who is interested in a high-quality skincare product and appreciate the innovation and craftsmanship behind vegan certified formulations.
Now, we're going to share more about ProMare Science. It is the secret of this new collection is the ProMare Science Complex, a scientific formulation inspired by algae. It is a culmination of our research into vegan collagen along with vitamin C and algae that help visibly firm skin.
So what makes ProMare Science the key ingredients? The first one that we want to share with you is algae. This one is going to help you improve skin elasticity and retain moisture by forming a layer on the surface.
Also, vegan collagen. It helps skin maintain its hydration levels for healthy looking, natural glowing skin.
And we also have the vitamin C. This one is going to help protect the skin from damage caused by pollution and the environment, which can manifest in wrinkles, dark spots, or saggy.
Now we're going to share with you the steps on all of our Novomarine products. First, it's cleanse with our Novomarine Bioalgae Hydrogel Cleanser. What it is, it's a vegan, non-irritating hydrogel face cleanser for all skin types. It removes makeup and impurities while deeply cleansing for a fresh and glowing complexion. One of the key ingredients of this product is sodium hyaluronate that aids in moisture retention for a softer feeling skin. How we can use this product: every morning and night, massage cleanser onto wet skin. Rinse, pat dry, and follow with the rest of your skincare routine. We want to highlight that after 2 weeks, 94% reported that their complexion looked beautifully revived and revitalized. This is from an independent consumer study conducted on 50 participants.
Moving on to step 2. This one is to treat. And how are we going to do that? Is with the Novomarine Algae Peptide Sea Elixir Face Serum. So what it is a vegan facial serum for all skin types. And the key ingredient for this one is the peptides that help to smooth the appearance of wrinkles and enhance the look of skin texture. And what it does is going to nourish your skin to help improve the look of fine lines, increase plumpness, and give you a radiant complexion. And how we want to use this product is every morning and night, you're going to gently pat onto your skin and allow to fully absorb before you apply your moisturizer.
And lastly, we go to step 3, moisturize. How we can do this with our Novomarine Bioalgae Restorative Cream. It's a vegan moisturizing cream for all skin types. It helps lock in moisture while fading the appearance of fine lines and promoting a smooth, radiant complexion. A key ingredient for this product is niacinamide that helps hydrate the skin while improving the look of the skin texture and smoothness. How we can use this product: every morning and night, gently massage onto skin as the last step in your skincare routine.
But we can't forget about SPF in your morning routine. Our Novomarine collection does not include SPF. However, in your morning routine, these products work to protect your skin from visible signs of aging caused by UVA and UVB and pollutions. Don't forget to add SPF and explore our wide range of SPS products to complete your skincare routine and keep your skin fully protected.
Are you ready to glow with Novomarine? Novomarine is a new generation vegan product line that helps improve the appearance of the skin in 14 days. Thanks to its formulas with vegan collagen and skin hydration, the new ProMare science is something very special, and the clinical results prove it. Thank you for being part of this exciting journey with us. We're thrilled to share the future of skincare with you, and we can't wait to see how our ocean-inspired vegan collections transform your beauty routine. Thank you so much.